Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to edit screenshots like a pro using Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. First, open Snipping Tool from the Start menu. Click New and take a screenshot of the area you want to capture. After taking the screenshot, it will automatically open in the Snipping Tool editor. At the top, you'll see several editing tools. Use the pen tool to draw or write on your screenshot. You can change the pen color and thickness to make your annotations stand out. Use the highlighter tool to highlight important text or areas. If you make a mistake, click the eraser tool and remove any unwanted markings. You can also use the crop tool to remove unnecessary parts of the screenshot and keep only the important section. For better organization, keep your edits clean and avoid adding too many colors or markings. After editing, click the Save button in the top right corner. Choose a location on your computer, enter a file name, and click Save. You can also click the Copy button to copy the edited screenshot and paste it directly into a document, email, or chat. For professional-looking screenshots, use highlighting for important information, cropping for focus, and the pen tool for clear annotations. That's how you can edit screenshots like a pro with Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials.